So here's my final LiDAR sensing rig. What I did was take the CAD file off of Canvas and I made this diameter 0.5 inches to ensure that the laser would be able to fit in there, and then added thickness to the walls to make sure that they were able to print fine and stay stable. And so first we have the laser, and that's going to be the transmitter that's going to send out laser lines, and then these laser lines are then going to be received by this Raspberry Pi camera, and then after it's received by the Pi camera, the Raspberry Pi is going to essentially interpret the data from the camera to figure out how far the object may be, and through coding and it's going to perform all the coding and software tasks to ensure that we're able to then create a 3D rendering of whatever we scan. And the importance of the way this is laid out, so to start, it ensures that the Raspberry Pi camera and laser are 12 inches apart. And I'm going to get, right now I have the Raspberry Pi zip tied. I'm going to eventually get plastic screws for it from class on Tuesday to make sure this is more secure and straight. And so it ensures that they're 12 inches apart, which is important for our algorithm as discussed from problem 3 of this homework. And then the Arduino is necessary. This part of the rig is necessary to hold the Arduino in place so it can be located close to the laser. And then these wires will be super glued to the Arduino, and through digitally the ground digital pin will be able to turn the laser on and off. And then the importance of this right here is to be able to hold the Raspberry Pi, as that's essential to being able to interpret the data from the camera. And this ridge right here is important to make sure that the camera is vertical, because both the camera and laser need to be vertical for this to work.